magic drawings! Hello, little artists! Are you ready for a fun adventure today? Look! A happy bicycle is walking in the park. Let's draw our bicycle together. First, we start with the handle. Draw one curved tube. Great job! Next, draw a small rectangle under the handle. Perfect! Now draw a square just below it. Now it's time for the bicycle frame. Let's add a letter V shape for the frame. One line here and one line there. Now draw the bicycle seat. Make it soft and comfy. Nice! Let's draw the pedal parts. One pedal on this side and one pedal on the other side. Excellent! Now draw the back seat. Add the wheel shield below it. Good job! Let's draw the back wheel. Draw a big circle. Now a small circle inside. Add some stripes inside the wheel. Wow! That looks amazing! Now we draw the front wheel shield and the front wheel, just like the back one. Big circle, small circle, and stripes inside. Perfect! Finally, let's draw the basket in front. This is where you can put toys, snacks, or your favorite things when riding. So fun! And now, it's coloring time! Color the bicycle brown. Now pink, red, blue. Pink again. Yellow. Purple. Green. Orange. Blue. Pink. And finally, brown. Wow! Your bicycle looks fantastic! You did an amazing job today. See you in the next drawing adventure. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Bye-bye, little artist!